Hi, I'm going to show you one of my favorite iPad apps called Notability. With this app, I can just take regular notes, but I can also upload documents and create and write on top of those documents. So I'm going to open up the app here. This is my note navigator, my navigation page where all my notes are. Create a new note. You can see I have lots of tools up here. I can enter text. I can just draw and take regular notes. I have lots of options for line size and color. And also there's a nice functionality that if I draw like a line, for instance, and I hold my finger or my stylus down, it will snap to a straight line. This works for shapes also. If I draw a square and then continue to hold down my pencil or my finger, then I can also reshape that. And also I can click style and I could change the fill. I could change the fill color or do anything, move it around with the hand tool right here. I can cut and paste it and move it somewhere else in my document. I also have, it can record in auto what I'm saying, and it can link it to my note. So there's lots of nice things that I can do there. So I could be taking notes in a meeting, and if I turned on my microphone, it would also be recording what was being said in the meeting. I'm going to start a new note here and show you another functionality of it. I'm going to close this note, start a new note, and hit the plus button, and you can see all the things in media that I can add to notes. I can upload anything from my photo library. I can open up my camera. I can scan a document, which I'll do in a minute. There's a GIF library that I can open up and add those to my notes. I can add a web clip, and there's also some stickies that can be added right within the library there. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and scan in a document. This is a rubric that we use with our digital coaching. I'm just going to scan that in really quick. I can adjust it if I need to adjust the scan to make sure I've gotten the whole document and it's fairly straight, which it's not, but we're doing this quick. Keep the scan and then save, and you'll see that'll load right in Notability. And now I can just take my writing tool and I can write right over that and make any notes. I can highlight something that I want to highlight, and then that'll save right to my Notability. But I also have the option of hitting the share button right here and saving it to my Google Drive or emailing it to somebody so I could share it right out with somebody else. So I have a rubric here. You could do observation forms. You could do a reading benchmarking form, and you'd be able to mark it right here on your iPad and then save it and share it with other people. Hope that's helpful.